The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Phoenix Plus for AT&T Prepaid. Yes, this is a new phone for AT&T Prepaid. I'm not sure when this phone got released, but I'm sure it has not been out that long. So the LG Phoenix Plus is no bit to the LG Phoenix 3, which they got last year, I believe it was. So the LG Phoenix Plus is $129.99, guys. So this is a budget phone, so I'll keep that in mind. The LG Phoenix Plus is the is a rebranded LG K30, guys. So here's front of the phone right here. It's not a bad looking phone, guys. Like I said, this is your budget phone, so you're not gonna get, like, you know, the top specs on this thing. So it's not too bad of a phone. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, trap phone, or whatever, this is a phone for you to get. So it says here the LG Phoenix Plus is a smartphone designed to impress, one that looks and feels great, one with a sharp, quick 8-megapixel camera for people who love to create memories, have fun, and live in the fast lane. The LG Phoenix Plus has you covered, alright? So that's front of the phone right there. So as you guys will see, the guys will have a front-facing camera, your earpiece, your screen there, and your on-screen keys right there, and your volume button there on the left side of the phone. And there's the other thing over there. Here's the back of the LG Phoenix Plus. You guys will have a camera flash, your power button. Not sure if that's a fingerprint sensor or not. I'm not really sure. You will have your AT&T branding, LG logo, and your speaker on the back right there. So, you know, not too bad there. On the bottom of the phone, we go. You guys will have headphone jack, a micro USB charging port, no Type-C, and you guys will have a microphone right there, alright? So there's no Type-C on this phone, unfortunately, but it is what it is, guys. So yeah, that's what the phone looks like there all around. Not a bad little phone. So you guys know what the specs are on the LG K30. Yeah, guys will be familiar with this phone. Key features of this phone is 5.3-inch display. Enjoy your favorite DirecTV live and recorded shows, photos, and more on the 5.3-inch HD screen is 720p. Secure fingerprint ID. It does have fingerprint on back, so that's a definite plus. Use your fingerprint to open your phone quickly and easily. 8-megapixel camera, capture every moment with instant focus and zero shutter lag. Long-lasting battery. Stay charged up for hours with a powerful 3000 mAh battery. So this phone has great features on it, not bad for $130. My favorite feature of this phone is obviously the fingerprint sensor, which is a win. So there are more specs on the phone, guys. The size is there. The dimensions it's 5.85 inches height, 2.96 inches width, and 0.34 inches on the depth. The phone weighs 5.77 ounces, and like I said before, the screen display is 5.3 inches HD. It's 720p. It's 277 ppi, so not too bad. 60 million colors. You have an 8-megapixel rear-facing camera, 4x zoom, and LED flash. Video recording up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Live video playback 1080p at 30 frames per second. Front facing camera is 5 megapixels with 1080p video. And you have a selfie light there with LG software. Aperture is f2.2 lens there. Auto shot. Selfie pose will automatically recognize an individual face and take a selfie after a 2-second countdown is triggered. It has gesture shot, which is front camera, which conveniently triggers the shutter with a simple gesture. Burst mode, that's a rear camera feature, which takes multiple shots quickly by pressing and holding the camera icon. Fast snapshot, that's a rear camera feature. Open camera quickly when the phone is off or on the lock screen by pressing the volume down key twice. So you guys can access the camera by pushing down the volume button twice to access the camera. So if your phone is If you're to sleep or if it's on the lock screen, press down on the volume button twice and the camera will open, so that's a win. It does have portrait mode, that's a front-facing camera feature. Capture the subject in sharp focus while producing a bokeh effect on the surrounding scene. Other shooting options: GIF. You have GIF animation creation, so you have GIF on here. Selfie filter, laser autofocus, timer, fast snapshot, and live snapshot. The battery is 3000 milliamps. You get 19.2 hours of talk time, standby time up to 18.3 days. It's a Snapdragon 425 processor, 1.4 GHz quad core, 16 gigabytes of ROM, and here you have a micro SD card slot up to 120 gig. 2 gigabytes of RAM is on the phone. Has Android 8.1 Oreo, that's a win. So that's a win. Could to get Android P, maybe. It has voice dialing, of course. It's LTE bands 2, 4, 5, 12, and 14, HSPA, 3G, GSM, Wolfine. It's a quad band, Wi-Fi, 8 to 11, ABG, and AC. That's a good one. It has the newer Wi-Fi bands on this phone. This is a budget phone, guys, so that's a one that has the AC Wi-Fi connections there. It has NFC. Wow. It has Bluetooth 4.0. Mobile hotspot up to 8 devices, noise suppression, NXP solution, wireless emergency alerts. Yes, SIM type is an SIM card, and of course you get a lot of apps from AT&T. As you guys know, they put everything on their phone. So with AT&T apps, you guys have AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Device Up, AT&T Drive My, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Messages Backup and Sync, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Protect, AT&T Remote Support, AT&T Setup and Transfer, AT&T Smart Limits, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, DirecTV, and IQ. I'm not sure what that is. You do get a few LG apps. You guys get the LG Music Play, the Quick Memo Plus, LG Bridge, Backup, and LG Switch. So those are great features to have. LG Backup is my favorite. It's a lot better than Google Backup because Google Backup sucks ass, and LG Backup is a win. Additional apps on this phone, you guys have Amazon Shop, audio recorder, calculator, Facebook App Manager, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Photos, Google Play, of course, movies and TV. You guys have Google Play Movies and TV, Google Play Store, of course, Google Search, Google Sheets, Google Size, Google Voice Search, YouTube, of course. So you guys got about every Google app on this thing. My AT&T provides fast, easy, accurate access virtually anytime, anywhere to your account. And the default browser is Google Chrome, but you can download other browsers from the Play Store for free. Sensors is like accelerometer, ambient light, digital compass, fingerprint, and gyroscope there. Text messaging, of course. Music Play is Google Play Music, LG Music. Supported types there. Accessibility, sustainability, and all that. What you guys get in the box? Let's see. You guys get the AC adapter, micro USB cable, and the quick start guide, and that's pretty much it, guys. So there it is, guys. The LG Phoenix Plus from AT&T Prepaid. This one has great features on it, man. It has a fingerprint sensor, Android 8.1 Oreo, LTE. It's not bad for 129 bucks, man. You're getting the fingerprint sensor. I mean, that's a win. You're getting the Android 8.1 Oreo, win, and you're getting NFC. That's a win as well. So this phone has a lot of features on it for its price point, man. 130 bucks. It's a win. It's a nice looking phone, great features. Like I said, this is a branded LG K30, guys. So yeah, there it is, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I can see you guys in the next one. Peace out.